So, I'm Jason, this is and so that's really getting long, and this is the end of Grayson. Don't leave yet, don't leave yet. I have a little bit of it, aka it is a little bit of I now have a second channel for me to post art content. I'm gonna art frequently. I'm gonna be posting a lot. We're talking whatever I want. It's gonna be a fun time. This channel is putting art, and I'm not going to post. Sorry for posting. I don't know where else I don't know. That was this. I don't know. Oh my god.